So as you can see, this is our Jupyter notebook. Now go to file menu and create new notebook for Python 3. This is our new notebook page. Now go to untitled, click on it and change it to my first Python tutorial. Now click on rename button to save this. As you can see, I have changed my page title, my first Python tutorial. This is our menu bar: file, edit, view, insert, cell, kernel, widgets, help. In file menu, we get new notebook. We can create new notebook or open new notebook, make a copy, save as, rename, save and checkpoint, revert to checkpoint, print preview, download as, and so on. In edit, we can cut cell, copy cell, delete cell, split cell, merge cell above, merge cell below, move cell up, move cell down. In view tab, we have toggle header, toggle toolbar, toggle line numbers, cell toolbar. In cell toolbar, we have none, edit metadata, raw cell format, slideshow, attachments, tags. In insert menu, we have insert cell above, insert cell below. In cell menu, we have run cells and select below, run cells and insert below, run all above, run all below, cell type, current outputs, all output. In cell type, we have code, markdown, raw notebook convert. In current outputs, we have toggle scrolling, clear. In all output, we have toggle scrolling, clear. Now in kernel menu, we have interrupt, restart and clear output, restart and run all, reconnect, shutdown, kernel, change kernel. In widget menu, we have save notebook widget state, clear notebook widget state, download widget state, embed widgets. And in help we have user interface tool, keyboard shortcuts, edit keyboard shortcuts, notebook help, markdown, Python reference, IPython reference, NumPy reference, SciPy reference, Matplotlib reference, SymPy reference, Pandas reference. Now this was about menu, and now this is our cell. As I pointed out here, this is our cell. This is our code cell. Now I am going to change our code cell to markdown cell. Click here and click on markdown cell. As you can see, I have changed it to markdown cell. Now the color has been changed of the markdown cell, and the color of the markdown cell is green color. Now I am typing my first hello world program. Press shift enter on your keyboard. Now this is our second cell. Now I am writing one comment here. This is my first comment. Then I press shift enter, shift plus enter. This is my, sorry, hash. I put hash first, then this is my second comment. Then I press shift plus enter, and we are in the last next cell. So I am using here comments because comments are used to describe our programs, and while writing comments we put hash first. Now sorry, now I am, now we type, now we type actual code. Print into open bracket into double inverted commas hello comma world, and now I press shift enter. As you can see, this is input of our code and this is output of our code. First I put print, which is a function. After that open bracket or parenthesis and then double inverted commas. Into double inverted commas I have typed hello world. This is sequential structure of our code, and this set of rules is called syntax. Now I will make some mistakes because we learn through mistakes. I am typing here print into double inverted commas hello comma world, and I press shift enter. Name error, traceback most recent call. As you can see, this is error because the thing is why the code is not running. As you can see, I have typed capital P instead of small p over here, so our code cannot run. So please do not forget to put open bracket double inverted commas in between. Now my last point is output will be as you have saved. Now this will be understood by seeing one example. Print into open bracket into double inverted commas 4 times space button 1 2 3 4 hello HELLO comma world WORLD exclamation mark. Now I enter shift plus enter on my keyboard. This is what message I have got here. As you see, there is 4 times space, so hello world is printed in such a format. So far we have understood about using Jupyter notebook. Now we will save our Jupyter notebook file and download it. We will go here, we will save, we will click on this icon and the file has been saved. Now we will click on download. As you can see, my file has been downloaded here. Now last message I want to, now the last message I want to see is Thank you.